Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this cute little bear astronaut out of polymer clay and resin. So to make the head, I'm taking some Fimo mint clay and I'm rolling it into a ball and I'm flattening it slightly. Then for the ears, I'm taking another ball of Fimo clay and rolling it out into a fat cylinder and cutting it in half. And I'm going to place that on top of the head. And I'm placing a flattened white oval for the snout, and that's going to go in the middle of the bear head. And then for the mouth, we're going to make an upside down Y out of some purple clay and an oval nose, along with some dot eyes. Next, I'm placing a piece of wire on the bottom of the head, and that's just so we can attach to the body later. Next, you want to bake according to instructions, and once baked, we're going to fill up the sphere mold with some resin and place our little bear head inside the resin and let that cure. And this is how the bear head looks like. As you can see, the bear head was a little too big for the mold, so I made another one. This one was slightly smaller, and I hope that this works out much better. So we're going to do it again where we place some resin in the mold and place our little bear head in there. And this one looks so much better than the first one. The only problem I saw was there's a giant air bubble on the back of the head. Right there. There's the air bubble right there. So continuing on with the process, I decided to cut the excess wire with some wire cutters. Then for the astronaut suit, we took some silver clay and rolled it into a fat cylinder. And I cut the end off, and I made sure that it fit on the bottom of our little bear head. And it fit perfectly. So now I'm taking some blue clay and I'm flattening it out and cutting a little thin strip out of it. And I'm wrapping the strip around the astronaut suit, and this is going to be like a belt. And for extra decoration, I added a little green strip of clay on top. Next, we're going to roll out some arms and legs, and those will be just fat cylinders cut at a slant. And I want to give my bear astronaut some foot pads, so I just put some little circles of blue clay on the bottom of the feet. And a little star where our belt comes together just to hide that line. And a little ball tail out of the same mint clay we used before. And then we're taking it off the little resin head just so we can bake the body separately. And once baked, it looks like this. Next, I'm placing some super glue on the wire and attaching the body onto the head. And the final step is to glaze everything. So I glazed the body first, then let that cure. Then I glazed the helmet next and let that cure as well. And once fully cured, we have our little bear astronaut, and I'm super happy with how it turned out, minus the giant air bubble right there, so you have to be really careful when you place your little bear heads or animal heads in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I think I wanted to make like a rocket or a planet, or maybe just other animal astronauts, who knows. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching.